Where are we at, Ty?
Dude, it looks like we're at the airport, yeah?
Time to go flying, fellas.
Which one of these bad boys is yours?
Dude, check it out, fellas. Isn't she a beaut?
Damn!
Isn't she a beaut?
Bro, she is gorgeous.
I know, that's what I'm saying, man. She's ready for flight. As you guys can tell, we're taxied. We're ready to take off, fellas. All we gotta do is do a couple runway checks, go back and forth, make sure everything's operating as intended. Let's go hop on this bad girl, Ty. Unbelievable! Let's get in there, fellas. Give me some time. Check it out, fellas. We got the SS80, baby. Ty and I, we've been spending weeks building this bad girl for you guys. Pop a couple clips right here. And you really just can't beat it. Ty, what are your thoughts on the final product, bro?
Bro, she turned out better than I could have expected.
You really cannot beat this. True redneck engineering at its finest. The numbers are checking out right now. All we gotta do, hit 35 miles per hour, and we should start to lift a little bit, Ty.
Oh, dude, I'm ready to see it.
Unbelievable! Yeah, I think we're gonna have plenty of lift, Ty. It's throwing wheelies like nobody's business. Now it's time we go check out the field. Make sure to take the turbulence of being up at altitude. Let's have some fun, fellas. Had to do a little reattachment of the propeller, but I'd say we're still ready for takeoff, Ty.
Oh, dude, we only lost like 2 or 3 horsepower.
Give me some. Ty,
What's up, baby?
I think you passed the field test, man. Everything held together.
Bro, I don't think you're ever gonna run into that rough of turbulence in the air.
Dude, it should be smooth sailing from here. I liked how that all held up. Oh my gosh, we even have enough weight capacity to put some heavies on here. Let's start her back up, Ty. Do some last minute river testing before we take flight.
Let's do it. Let's get this bad girl in the air.
Hey, Ty. Big red, big red, big red, let's go! All right, let's go set the jump up, Ty. We need to make sure we have a good lift for takeoff. Check out the lake right now, though. Beautiful flying conditions. Check it out, fellas. We've done all the testing we can do. Now it's time to fly. We might not have been able to get across the lake going underwater, Ty, but how good's our chance of flying?
We're making it, baby.
Dude, there's nothing stopping us. The SS80, she's ready for her final flight. Let's hit this bitch. 4th gear probably pinned. Nothing stopping us. Give me some, baby.
Let's go. Faulty runway, Gav.
Unreal, Ty. We had all the other numbers down plane-wise. She should have flown perfect, bro. Good thing Shred Eddie always has a plan B, right?
Oh yeah.
Strap up.
Let's strap up.
Let's go, baby. Oh, fellas, we're not giving up yet. There's no way after a crash landing we can just stop the operation of flight. So we bought ourselves a parasail, Ty.
Good old plan B.
You gotta love Facebook Marketplace. It should be a crime on what you can buy on there, but we're gonna take flight. There's not much stopping us besides the fact that we don't have a boat, we don't have an ocean, and we don't have a proper harness, but we're still gonna fly, fellas. Give me some, Ty.
Let's go.
It's working! Let's go! That is so sick. Ty, did we just have that bad girl in the air behind a three-wheeler?
Yeah. Dude, it was working too good, bro.
We bought a working parasail off the marketplace for $100, and we're gonna fly with it. That's crazy. All right, we couldn't get that big red in the air by itself, so we're hooking it up to another big red, doing a whole parasailing system over here. Ty, how do you like how this looks?
Dude, it does not look good.
It looks like a whole situation going on, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. But either way, we're gonna get in the air, we're gonna do it safe. Let's make it fly, baby. Give me some. It looks really good though on napkin, Ty.
Dude, does it?
Ah, this math is bad with nobody on it.
It's bad.
It's bad no matter what.
It's bad no matter what. Let's see what happens. That's some entanglement you got going on right there, bro.
I couldn't get the big red up in the air by itself, so I think I'm gonna go flying by myself. Guys, how's it look?
Couldn't look any better.
Bro, let's get you in the air, Gav.
Do we trust this harness?
You trust it.
Ah, we got it from Home Depot, fellas. We got the parasail off Marketplace. Let's get in there, baby.
Let's go.
That's a beautiful sight. Got the big red hooking me up with the parasail. How do the numbers check out, man?
Bro, you're officially connected, Gav.
That's pretty scary. You to stay in first or second. I'm going to the third.
Let's
now.
go, Gav.
All right, we got Dylan down there giving you guys a shot. Let's do it. I knew that was gonna happen, bro. We just blew it up off.
Yep.
Can we tear it?
We'll see. It looks okay still.
Take number 2. We're flying in the front yard now.
Let's let it down. Let's let it down. Let's let it down.
Well, I can't run faster than that. I
You don't
topped out
need
in second
to.
gear.
You don't need to run faster. It's gonna pick you up.
Let's try second gear. Last time trying it. Let's get in there.
Let's do it.
All right, guys, take care of me up there, man.
I'm gonna try. Gav! Oh shit!
Very good, Ty. This is not working out how we planned. Not fast enough?
You need another 10 miles an hour for sure. Feels like it's just not got enough lift.
I wanted to fly, Ty. What an adventure this has been. I'm feeling like we're the Wright brothers, man. They didn't fly the first day. It took a long time, but we're gonna keep working at it. We're not gonna stop, fellas. Give me some, baby. Yeah, it looks about right. We're approaching the water now. It got a little gnarly, me dragging on land. The aerodynamics weren't working out. I'm a little too heavy right now, so I'm gonna have to enter a workout program if I wanna fly with a three-wheeler. But for now, we're just flying a three-wheeler by itself, baby. Getting this 70 in the air and watching a three-wheeler soar, fellas. Let's make it happen.
Let's go.
All right, we got our harness dialed on the 70. She ready for flight, Ty?
Dude, we're looking ready for flight, Gav.
We got our good buddy Corbin from the 24-hour challenge. Oh! Corbin, what are you saying?
It's fine.
You gotta love that response. Full confidence, like you said, 93% sure.
93%.
Yeah, pan over to Corbin.
I'm
feeling less confident now.
Ah!
What?
God bless America.
No way! No way!
Captain Gavin. It's only right if I put it on. Are the sunglasses gonna be with it, G-Ty?
No.
Which one is this?
That-
Oh, this is the OG one, bro.
The certified ripper.
Panama Air. You ready for flight?
Let's go.
Let's go, Ty. Give me some, baby.
Yeah.
Corbin, how are the numbers checking out closer to takeoff?
They've gone down 10% and then back up 4%.
So what are we sitting at, a mile at 84?
7.
Let's watch the 70 soar, baby.
Let's go.
Give me some. Hit it! Got it, guys. Go. Go. There it is. Go, 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 go. Look at that! Look at it! Look at it!
Let's go. Oh no. Oh no. Can you keep it up? It's dropping. Boom. There we go, Gav.
Dude, he almost pulled the boat down. Let's go, Ty!
Hell yeah.
Flew, bro. What an amazing sight that was, dude. Let's see you guys next week. Like I said, I'm going on a Weight Watchers program so I can be on that bad boy next time. She was soaring though, man. I gotta prepare for that time.
Bro, she was flying.
Freaking gosh, we love y'all. Glad we could get in there actually, and we'll see you guys next week.
Let's go.